The Frigidaire washer E70 error code indicates a problem with the water temperature in your washing machine. This code signals that the washer is not able to reach or maintain the desired water temperature during a cycle. To fix the error E70, follow these steps. First, check the water supply hoses to ensure they are not kinked or blocked. Make sure the hoses are securely connected to both the washer and the water supply valves. Next, check the water supply valves to ensure they are fully open and not restricted. If the issue persists, check the washer's water temperature sensor. This sensor is usually located near the water inlet valve and is responsible for monitoring the water temperature. If the sensor is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Another possible cause of the E70 error code is a malfunctioning water heater or thermostat. Check the washer's user manual to see if it has a built-in water heater or if it relies on the household water supply for hot water. If the washer has a built-in water heater, check to see if it is working properly. If not, it may need to be replaced. To prevent future occurrences of the E70 error code, make sure to regularly check and maintain the washer's water supply system. This includes checking the water supply hoses and valves for kinks or blockages, and ensuring the water temperature sensor is clean and free of debris. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Frigidaire washer E70 error code and get your washing machine working properly again. Remember to always refer to your washer's user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for troubleshooting and maintenance.